We're the Traveling Twins, and we're here today in Nevada at Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam was named after President Hoover. So, this dam gives water sources, electricity sources, and food sources to the people since the 1930s. Anywho, 30s. The water starts on this side of the dam, then goes through the dam into this conservatory, which then puts it into electricity and energy for the places around. This is a great tourist distraction because on one side is Nevada, and then once you cross it, you're in Arizona. Well, now it's time to go. Bye!